Hey, y'all, this is what we're making today. Got these tiger shrimp at Costco, and I liked them. They're giant. Take a look at these things. Huge, beautiful little shrimp. And then a couple of little steaks there. And we're gonna make a little, I'll call it seasoning anyway. That's what we're gonna use to season it. We'll make it in this bowl here. I'm gonna make skewers. You'll see how they turn out. Hopefully they'll come out pretty good. We'll see. This is the little chili pecans, we call them. That Mexican chilies, the little bitty ones, round ones. And some oregano. Look at that mixed in there too. I'm going to add some garlic salt. We love garlic, so I should have opened this thing, but that's okay. I'll just keep putting some. This, between me and my wife, you really can never overdo garlic. Oop. There we go. That should be enough. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more. It looks a little crusty, a little thick, I mean. Oh, but they look so good. I'll add some salt and pepper also. Salt. And then I'm gonna have to do this pepper here. Whole peppercorns. We'll crush them up there. Looking good, looking good. All right, I had to move them into this pot because it's way too big here. But take a look at this. Just gonna marinate those for a little bit. Not really marinate them, just coat them, season them up. And I'm gonna put them on the skewers. I'm gonna get the grill started warming up there. These steak strips, I'm gonna use the same thing really. Just basically salt and pepper. Not a lot, but enough to get them just how I like them. Make sure I get all sides there. And I'll do the pepper again. I'm going to use this. It works pretty good. It's just, I can't do it with one hand. Yeah, I'm sure everybody has one of their favorite grills, right? This is my favorite. It's little. I take it camping. It's run off of these little 1 pound little deals. And it's just awesome. I love it. Anyway, I'm going to put that on there, start getting it a little warmed up a little, and I'm going to head back inside. All right, this is what they look like on the skewers. They are. That's my meal for tonight. This is what the seasoning look like. Olive oil. I'll probably use that to add some while it's cooking there. Okay. Anyway, here we go. All right, let's them on the grill. I'll put it on low. I'm going to close it up. I know shrimp are going to cook a little bit faster. We'll see how it goes. There's my baby doing her thing.
No, no. No voy a hacer
doing
eso.
her
No, nunca
YouTube
haría
channel.
Eso. No.
Give you some light. Let there be light. I've already flipped them once. Looking pretty good. Look how big these suckers. Look at the heads on those things. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to flip those steaks a little bit. Alright, so I moved the shrimp to the top shelf. And I put the steaks there a little bit closer to the fire. So it's going to come out really, really good. I'm super excited about the shrimp right now. There it is. I cut them open. Rare. Just like I love it. It's almost like a blue steak. Blue steak. And then there's a shrimp. Oh my God, we're going to tear into this thing shortly.